Dave, what's wrong? It is our arc machine. We usually make a minimum of 9 centimeters. And now there's a European customer who wants to make a 5 centimeters one with rounded edges for a bull's nose. Can we do that? 5 centimeters.
Okay. Today I'm taking you to see our latest edge polisher. Can it achieve a processing of a 5 centimeter cowhide edge? Come on, let's go. Okay, let's take a look. This is a quartz stone. This width is 5 centimeters. Let's take a look at one of its widths. Okay, come on. Let's try to grind it. Let's take a look at the effect of this cowhide edge just ground out, and it's only 5 centimeters. Look good, everyone. It's only 5 centimeters wide. Take a look below.
Wow, it can be ground so small and the effect is so good. It's incredible.
Okay, let's take a look at the effect of this grinding. This is polished upside down with a straight edge.
Wow, this grinds pretty well. Can this machine do other processes?
Of course, I'll take you all to have a look. Let's go. Come and have a look at this one. It can also do a craft of 45 degrees. That's a 45-degree chamfer. So what can you do here? One function of one slot. Here is the slots. Here's the under 45-degree polish, upper 45-degree polishing, straight edge polishing. And what about us? As you can see, we have 3 that specialize in modeling and imitation. There are also 2 specially designed for polishing, 1 function, and it's pneumatic, a function of changing knives. It is a very multifunctional one, edge polisher.
Wow, so this machine can do so many functions. It's still quite complete, of course.
What about this video? And it ends there. I'm Davis.
I am Sammy. We are waiting for you at Tongueand Machinery Fosan, Wangadong, China.
Remember to call me. Call me. Bye.